Okay, I'm gonna make some drop biscuits. It's like maybe less than 5 minutes to mix all this stuff up. But I figure, hey, I ain't got nothing else to do. Let me show you. It's real simple, okay? So I have the Jiffy bacon all-purpose, right? And it's just taking two cups of this, the Jiffy mix. Because you know, I don't measure, so if I'm probably gonna put my little more, depends how much it comes out to be. I really don't measure this stuff, but some things, remember I told you I have to. And then I think I did 2/3. Yeah, 2/3. Well, it's on here, but I don't like to go by what they got here after time. Okay, I'm gonna do 2/3. Just I'm gonna follow the instructions for a change. Okay. All right. And all you do is just knead it. This here you don't have to, use the, you don't have to knead it with flour, okay? Because it's drop biscuits. Drop it on in. These are drop biscuits. And I'm going to use a little more milk here. Just a little more. Yeah, that's much better. Right? Yeah. That's what you want. That's what you want. Okay, right? And then once you do that, you're going to take a tablespoon, right? Drop it on in there. Tablespoon. Drop it on in there. How easy is that, right? Ain't nothing to it. Drop it on in. And they come out so good. They taste good. Slap some butter, margarine, whatever you prefer. Look at that. Perfect. One's going to be a little small. And that's it. 450, 10 to 12 minutes. Let me take this one back out and put some more on this one for the last one. Okay, there we go. Just make that a little bigger. That's our last one. And just leave you some space on your pan like so. And there you have it. Drop biscuits. I'm about keeping it real simple during the week. And that's that. And then drop that big baby in the oven. Now if you want to do a like if you want to make the other type of biscuits, all you do, the only difference is you pour the flour on the surface and you knead it in the flour, okay? That's the only difference. Because that stuff has everything in it. So I'm going to wash this out real quick. And I'm waiting on my oven to hit the 450 temp, and I'll put that in there for 10 to 12 minutes until I see where it looks good. You know, you'll know when it's done. You got to always clean up after yourself. And that's about that. Short and sweet. So, and by the way, let's check on this goulash. See that? That's a good pot of goulash right there. A good pot of goulash. Wait a minute. Let's go in there. This is chicken goulash. It got everything in there. All these vegetables. I did the video already for this. So you can go to In the Kitchen with Cindy to see it. Get the recipe. And I'm going to upload it on YouTube in a minute after I finish this. It has zucchini in it. It has the baby corn in it. It has the all different peppers in it. Onion, celery. Loads of veggies in here. And some greens is in here too. Okay. And that's that. So I'll be doing the finished product once everything is done and stuff. And you'll see how it looks. And I'm going to taste it for you, tease you a little bit. Peace out.